the general term of a geometric sequence. Let us find T1 in terms of A and R. So that is, in place of n, I'm going to put 1 in this formula. In place of n, I'm going to put 1. Simplifies to a to the power a r to the power 0, which is just 1. So therefore T1 equals a. Let us express T2 in terms of A and R. Wherever there's n, I put 2. So this simplifies to T2 equals AR. Let us find T3. In terms of A and R, this simplifies to C3 equals A to the power AR to the squared. Let's find T4. Different color. T4 in terms of A and R. So what pattern do you notice? What pattern do you notice? Yes, proper stuff. It does make absolute sense. So T1 already know it's A. If I have a 2 there, I have a 1 there. If I have a 3 there, I have a 2 there. If I have a 4 there, I have a 3. So therefore, can you guys tell me what is T 700? A R to the 699. Proper stuff. Hey, all of us are happy with this. Shale, are you happy? Yes, yes, no, maybe. All right, we're all good, so yeah, this is what you need to know. So that you should need to know that you're able to express T3 as a to the power 8 a r to the power 2. You know that you're able to express any term in terms of a and r. So you need to bear that in mind. There are more often than not such questions in the exam. Chances are you're gonna get it. You're gonna get this question somewhere during the year, but you may get it throughout the 4 terms or whatever. But you are gonna get a question requiring you to use all of this knowledge here. So I'm gonna give you a nice question so that you guys can do. So question says, let me think. Just give me a second to think. Let's get into it. Remember that everything is getting recorded. So you're at the end of the session, I always share with you the links to the playlist of the class we would have had. So 20 minus 24 and minus 192 are the fourth and the seventh terms of a geometric sequence. Find A and R, basically looking for T1 and the constant ratio. Right, so let us write these two statements mathematically. I should have written respectively at the end, but you guys get the point. So let us write these statements mathematically. So basically, T4 is minus 24. T4 is minus 24. And sorry, T7 is minus 192. Okay, sharp. So yeah, so that is the mathematical statements we're getting there. So now we're able to re-express T4 as AR to the power AR to the power. Let's talk. Come on. All right. Donghueng agrees as well. Minus 24. We're also able to write T7 as AR to the power 6. Proper stuff. Okay. So now this is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. It's Martinez equations. You want to use that to find the A and the R. So Here, you can make either one the subject of the formula. So you can make A because the subject because it's convenient. So you divide both sides by R. So you have minus 24 over R to the power 3. That's equation 3. Same as equation 1, but just made A the subject. You're then going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So that is the equation 2 there. So we have in place of in place of A we put minus 24 over R to the power 3. Then R to the power 6 there, it's up top. Okay. Then now we basically have the situation of exponents. A to the power m over A to the power n. Right? You guys would remember that this can be simplified to A to the power n minus 1. Are you guys happy? Please confirm if you can still hear me. Okay, you can. Okay, do you guys see that I'm going to have to apply that law here, right? So this will give me minus 24 r to the power 6 minus 3 equal to minus 192. This gives minus 24 r to the power 3 minus 192. Divide both sides by minus 24. Then we've got r to the power 3 equal to 8. Okay, remember that when you have r to the power 3 and you want to be left with r, what you can do is, in order for you to get rid of this 3, you must introduce a third root. What you do on one side, you also do on the other. So therefore, r will be equal to, because this will cancel the third root, the power 3 will cancel the third root, this will give us a 2. So therefore, our constant ratio is 2. That is, we multiply 2 between successive terms. So now what is our thingy? A is the first term. We're going to substitute it there. So we're going to substitute the r into there. So we're going to have A equals minus 24 over 2 to the power 3 gives us minus 24 over 8, which is just minus 3. Alright, so yeah, so our first term T1 is minus 3. Our constant ratio is 2. All good? Everybody understood?